Meaning of fairyland.
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 Fairyland. Fairyland refers to a magical or imaginary land inhabited by fairies, which is often depicted as a beautiful and enchanting place with lush forests, sparkling streams, and colorful flowers. This term is often used to describe a place or setting that is idyllic, ethereal, or otherworldly, as if it were straight out of a fairy tale. In popular culture, fairyland is frequently associated with innocence, whimsy, and wonder, and is often used as a metaphor for the joys and mysteries of childhood.